If you enjoy the delicious taste of ice cream, but don't enjoy the excess calories, fat content or sugar, we have the perfect product for you, the Von Chef Frozen Fruit Maker. The Frozen Fruit Maker creates delicious desserts from frozen fruit, so you can enjoy every mouthful without letting the guilt set in. From bananas to strawberries to raspberries to pineapple, if you can think of a fruit, you can create a delicious frozen dessert. The Von Chef Frozen Fruit Maker is fantastic for all the family and ideal for those who are lactose intolerant, as fruit-based desserts are free from high preservatives, sugar, fat and dairy. A great addition to your kitchen all round. When you need a dessert that's a little bit naughtier, try adding chocolate, peanut butter, syrup, nuts or sprinkles. With the Von Chef Frozen Fruit Maker, the options are endless. You'll never get bored. You'll be surprised just how easy it is to create your very own desserts. Just place the ingredients in the chute, wait for the rotating blade to work its magic, then tuck in. The end result is a bowl full of creamy goodness which tastes like soft serve ice cream. There's no need to worry about the Frozen Fruit Maker taking up masses of room in your kitchen, as its compact size makes it easy to store when you're not in chef mode. Indulge your sweet tooth the healthy way with the Von Chef Frozen Fruit Maker.